Hi there, Siser here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little box like this. It's designed to go on the Christmas tree, hence the loop, and there's a sneaky little opening in the back. So I've tried to make this box as simple as humanly possible. Now I would say don't try doing it with foil card because trying to glue foil card together is really hard. I did try it. I mean, it would have looked great, but trying to get it to stick together was absolute hell. So I need to fold all my bits. Now you notice I've got two little holes here, and that's because this one here is going to provide a little hole so you can put some string through. You could use ribbon, you can use string, you could even use some bent wire if you want to do that. Your choice entirely. Might be easiest doing it with a double end. Let's see if I can twist that and put it through. Yeah, I think that's the easiest way of doing it. And then I'll just tie a knot. There we go. That won't go through the hole now, so that's fine. And now I can either glue or tape my tabs into place. So we want to do all the sides before we do anything else. Bearing in mind you're going to fit it, there is a area on the back which is cut into little sections so that someone can press through that, break the seal and get the sweets out. So I think I'm going to use some double-sided tape for this. So I'm going to put it out flat so that I can put all my little bits of tape on. And we need double-sided tape on these very outer bits, so I might as well put that on there at the same time. Once you get the hang of how this goes together, you'll probably be able to make them quite rapidly. And the great thing is they don't actually take an awful lot of card to make either. First one I'm going to do is the one that has the hole, so make sure that one is done. Now if you wanted to, if you've got white string, you can colour it with an alcohol marker to make it whatever colour you want. That works quite well. There we go, so that's the base of the box. And I need to fill it and fold these areas in, and then that area is going to go at the top. I'm going to just take away the very corner of that piece there, because I have a sneaking feeling that if I don't, it might be visible. I don't want that. And then it will close like so. Okay, so first one to do. Now I can put some sweets in here. I can start folding the top edge down, and when I've done that I can remove the tape for this bottom edge and make sure to line it up as well as you can. Okay, so that's the basis of our box that already has its hanging loop put into it. And then we want some decoration. So I've got a little print of a Santa here, and I've got another square of card. Now I want it to hang like that, so bear that in mind when you're putting your decoration on. I'm going to take the thick end of an alcohol marker and just put some colour on the edge of this. Not being overly fussy about it, but it just makes it stand out. You could use fancy cuts for the top of it if you wanted to. I've chosen just to do a straightforward print and cut. There we are. Now the design I picked up was one from Creative Fabrica. It's just a cute little Santa gnome. I think he's rather sweet. So I can either put it straight on or I can put it on some foam. So that's going to prop that up. Center it down as well as I can. I have a love-hate relationship with sticky foam. Love the effect, hate using it. And remember, that's how it hangs. So you want to put your design in the correct way. And there we have it, a cute little treat box for the Christmas tree.